Hi, I'm not a real person, but I look like one, right? I'm a digital avatar that can talk and present without showing the person behind it. And the best part? You can do this too. No camera, no expensive equipment. Welcome to Jay's Studio, the place where we explore cool AI tools that help you create amazing content without being on camera. Are you a student, a creator, or just curious about AI? Here, you'll find the best tools, simple step-by-step tutorials, and pro tips to save time and boost your productivity. Whether you're a beginner or a tech pro, there's something here for you. Want to make videos faster? Want to design smarter? Or maybe you just want to try something new and creative. At Jay's Studio, we make it easy and fun. No complicated words, no confusing lessons, just clear tutorials that help you use AI in real life. This channel isn't only about tutorials, it's about growing together. We're building a community of learners, dreamers, and creators who want to use AI to make life easier and more creative. Technology is moving fast, but don't worry, you don't need to run alone. Here we walk step by step, side by side. Together, we'll explore how AI can help you work smarter, not harder. So, if you want to save time, boost your creativity, and learn how to make awesome videos with AI, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who wants to learn too. This is just the beginning, and I'm glad you're here with me. Welcome to Jay's Studio, where AI becomes simple and the future is in your hands. Let's explore, connect, learn, and grow together.